Are we live? Guys, are we live? Yeah, guys. I'm telling you all, I'm trying to tell you all something, man. And I'm just gonna tell you the truth, y'all. This is one for the books. There we go. Guys, there we go. Let me hit that right there. We're live. Guys, what can I say? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doc Favors here, you all, and you know what we do over here, you all. We talk about everything from faith to trading to Forex and everything in between. And of course, I told you all I was going to be doing some of these more lives, but if you have not checked out some of the other videos, then please do so. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to the channel, guys. I've been seeing the analytics. I'm seeing what you guys are doing. You're watching it, but some of you not helping your boy out. So as you all know, I'm a chart guy. So let's get straight to the charts. And I'm going to share something with you. And I'm just going to tell you flat out. Guys, this what's happening. If you've been holding SHIB, then you are one happy camper. So if there are any SHIB holders out there, y'all tell them to get on, man, because we on these charts. And I'm going to show you all. I'm going to share with you first off right now. I'm going to share with you what is happening with SHIB and what's going on. I'm going to go to this 15-minute chart so I can just show you something. And because we have been consolidating left to right in this range right here. And I was waiting on SHIB to come through this line. I was waiting on it to actually come through this one as well. And you see what happens there. I'll just move that over. And now remember, a few weeks ago, guys, I was telling you that we have some good buy zones. And I bought in some of these buy zones. So let me just open this up to the 1 hour now so you can see. And I want you to see where you would be if you took your boy's advice. Okay. Once again, I can't tell you what to do though. I got to work on that one right there, y'all. So anyway, if you bought with me and you made some money, man, put something down in the comment below. Everybody know I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you to buy, hold, or sell. But if you did follow lead or use some of those strategies, then drop me a comment down below. I'm looking at you all. I can see your chats. Hello, Marilyn. I see you. Now, guys, look at this. Price is right at 2926. And if you took or if you got into this around the same time I did at that low zone down here, then you would literally be up around 15, almost 16%, almost 17, 18, okay? Now, remember, here's what I want to show you. Remember, I had buys over here. Price came down, took a little dip. What did I do? I did not run scared. Scared money don't make any money, people. I did not run scared. I stuck to my guns. I stuck to what I saw. And I got in for another buy down here, a couple of buys, honestly. And when it went up, came back down, got in for another one around here. I need to put another buy right there. Because when it came back down to here on Wednesday, I got in for a little bit more. And so now we are seeing what's happening, okay? But here's the reason why this is happening, guys. I told you, y'all look at Bitcoin. Look at what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is up right around 69548. And we're looking to see this pop through here. And you say, well, Favors, what's helping you? First of all, I told you all, you got technicals down here. Now look at this. I can't make this up, guys. I wonder if I could blow this up a little bit. Yes, I can. Do you all see the technical analysis on Bitcoin where it is right now? See, guys, these things are important, and I hope y'all can hear me well. Yep, y'all can. Look at this. The technical says strong buy. Strong buy. Now, all right, if that's the case, then what does SHIB technical say? Well, let's go and look at SHIB. SHIB technicals say, wait a minute, I undid something. Well, we at 29.20 now, that's great. SHIB technicals say buy. Now, SHIB, once again, is kind of teeter-tottering a little bit because you can see it. What's happening? Well, guess what? If you've been holding from down here, as some of us have been, some of you all have been, then you know there are going to be a group of people who are going to take a little profit. And that's what they're supposed to do. I'm not taking any profit just yet because I want to see I got a higher goal. Okay, I got a bigger vision for this thing. But I wanted to show you all something in terms of my question. Can SHIB hit 4 zeros, 3 by Good Friday, which is this Friday, the time of this recording, the day of the 25th? So I want to show you all something. Let me see here. First of all, there is, if you all don't do watcher.guru, it has some good information on here. But I want to show you something, man. March 25th, 2024, that is today. And look at the topic. Shiba Inu has witnessed a significant, let me just go in here, guys, because I want you to see this. This is so very important. Shiba Inu, SHIB, has witnessed a significant correction over the last few weeks, falling 2.3% in the weekly charts and 12.3% in the 14-day charts. However, the popular dog theme cryptocurrency has rallied by 196.4%, guys, over the previous and 161.4% since March 23. Can you all see this? Now, this author goes on to say SHIB's latest correction could be due to Bitcoin falling below 62 last week. So I told you guys that when Bitcoin moved, the meme coins and then the altcoins kind of lag behind it. So now we see a serious boom, a serious spike in Bitcoin. So you're going to see these memes following, and that's exactly what's happening. All right. Now watch. This is what I really want to share with you all. According to Coin Codex, Shiba Inu's price will rally over the next few weeks. The platform predicts SHIB to hit 4 zeros, 3357 on Good Friday. Watch this, y'all. March 29th, 2024. Hitting 4 zeros, 3357 from current levels would translate to a growth of about 20.02%. Moreover, the same people, CoinDex, anticipate SHIB to continue its bullish trajectory throughout April, hitting 407,589. Now, I want you all to get a real concept of what that looks like. Got to go to the 4-hour chart, and you see what price is now. To hit 7 zeros, I got to move this down. To hit, look at this. I might have to move to the day chart, y'all, because it's too far up there. Let me see. It says 75407589. 407589. Y'all do me a favor, guys. Hit that like button. Show your boy some love. Heart it up. Hit the like. Subscribe. I appreciate it. 7589 on April 16th. They're so certain and so confident that they're going to even give us a date. Now, understand, that's around the time of the halving for Bitcoin, okay? So you already know that it's going to be driving price, or that's what we're expected to drive prices up for the next 12 to 18 months if you look at the halving from the last 4 years and the last 4 before that. So watch this. 7589. Y'all hold on to that number for me. 7589. 7589. I'm going to put a line up here, guys, because this is this is great. This is all I'm saying. Yeah, this is crazy, but in a good way. So let me just grab this right here. What's going on with my cursor, y'all? Okay. So I'm going to drag this up to 7588. All right. That's where we're going to park that. Now, from where price is right now to up there, I got to make it a little smaller, guys, so we can see it. Matter of fact, let me just go to a day chart so you all can see this. All right, this is the 7.89. All right, now you all are going to be able to see this. I want you all to see this, and this is going to blow your mind. If price comes and gets to anywhere where they believe it's going to be from where it is now, okay, you're not talking about 55%. You're not talking about 100%, guys. You're talking about 160+% increase. This is why I'm telling you all, you can't try to time the market. This is why I'm telling you all that DCA, and I hope you all have been listening. Hope you all have been doing your own research. Once again, I can't tell you what to do in terms of buy, hold, or sell, but I can definitely tell you what I'm doing. I hope you all have done enough research to do and to start dollar cost averaging, getting into this, okay? Same thing with Bitcoin. I'm just going to tell you all the truth because price pops up there. Now watch. That is almost to the all-time high of 4089. So if we get price up here, for one, I'm definitely going to be taking some profit, but I'm going to unleash some in and let it ride, guys, because price get up here during the pullback, and next thing you know, it blow out the all-time high. The all-time high, we in the money, guys. That's what I want you to understand. So when you look at things like this, and I see stuff like this, and then they say, well, they said 171% from current levels. Furthermore, the platform predicts SHIB to hit a new all-time high in May of this year. Guys, that is something we can't, well, let me say, I can't overlook that. And if you're in the game and you're trying to play, I wouldn't overlook that as well. I would DCA, I would get something in these markets because this right here, guys, this is serious. So if Changeley also anticipates, Changeley, guys, another platform, brokerage account, I believe, also anticipates a bullish outlook for Shiba Inu over the next few weeks. The platform predicts SHIB to hit 403887 on Good Friday. That's just 4 days away. Changeley forecast the popular crypto to hit all new high in April as well, hitting 408787 on April 19th. So either way it go, we got two big boys, two people. Hello, I see y'all coming in. Appreciate that. All I'm saying is something is happening. Now, let's just look and see what's really going on. Oh boy, in the past hour, we see a sea of green. We see a sea of green, you all. I'm talking about you see it. You can't help but see it. Where is SHIB on the chart, y'all? Wow. Okay, let me hit the day. 4.6 for the day. Still see a green. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, of course. XRP got some movement. Dogecoin, of course, did good. I got some Doge. SHIB is number 12. It was like 11, so that's just one. Can't complain about that, but here it is, guys. You see it. Market cap is 17.16 billion. That's the market cap, okay? Of course, Bitcoin is at 1.3 trillion and Ethereum 428 billion. So we are in a good spot, guys. We're in a good, sweet spot. And I'm telling you all, I don't want the fam to miss what we got going on over here. I want you all to really catch it because I'm going to tell you the truth. When I look at mine and where I am and what's going on, even though it's pulling back a little bit, I am still up currently. Let me look at it now. In SHIB, I am up. I am up in my whole portfolio, guys, almost 15%. And that is some good zeros behind that piece right there. In my holdings, I got some Bitcoin, I got some Doge, and I got SHIB, and I am up. And it is looking fantastic, guys, okay? So this is what I wanted to come on here and share with you all today, that this is why I've been telling you all to dollar cost average in. Don't get caught trying to time the market. Don't get caught in FOMO. So now that everybody is moving, now people want to run in, guys. That's not how we learn how to trade over here, okay? You buy the dip, buy the fear, sell the news, all right? And that's what you do. So even at the piece right here, guys, all these are, remember, these are still good levels because let me just make it plain and clear for you. Remember, I bought some at 3096. And this is what price is now at 295. So here's the thing. They said that price could hit this by Friday. Guys, let me show you something. They was anticipating this by Friday. It looks like it hit that mark today. And this is Monday. Okay, so obviously that report came out earlier today, this morning. But we had a serious spike, a serious boom, guys. You see it right there. Let me put it on the smaller time frame, lower time frame, just so we can be clear and make sure. I want to make sure, guys. Y'all see that? That's three. That's three right there. You can see it. That's three right there, guys. So, hey, what do we do? What can you do? What I'm doing, I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. I'm holding. I'm going to dollar cost average this thing in. I'm holding. I'm not going to try to time the market. I'm not going to run scared when these pullbacks happen because I told you, all you had to do, if you'd had anything in right here, man, even if you'd have put like $50, you'd have probably doubled it on that move. I'm going to take it. I tripled mine. From that one play down here that I put in, it tripled. So let me see if I got a few questions. What's your thoughts on bump, good sir? Also, good morning. Okay, so I don't really trade bump, but I'm gonna tell you like this, man. Let me see if I can pull that up because the platform that I use don't see that. But I look at it though. Let me see here. I look at it. There it is right there. Hello? Can you see that? Yep, that's right. Whoever said Drew bit, that's right. That happened, and we waiting on it. So look at Bunk, guys. It did literally the same thing that Bitcoin, SHIB, Doge. They all following that pattern. But now, here's the scary thing. I ain't gonna say scary, but here's the thing about Bunk. For all you who got access to it, man, that thing be moving. You see that? That's 10% in the whole piece. That's a lot of movement. So let's go and look to the crypto bubbles. Let's see what Bunk is doing on the day right now. Bunk up 8.8%. It's right here, guys. So if that's your play, man, you in the money. All right. We following behind that 5.4 so far for the day. Let me look at the hour for Bunk. I really want to see. Now on the hour, you can see it's 2.3. You see? The highs, we got Floki over here at 6.7. We have Pepe, AR, God, AR at 7.6. And guys, I'm telling you, a sea of green for the hour, for the day. Oh my goodness. Now look at white. Oh, look at near. Yeah. ICP is up 20.3% on the day already, guys. Day just getting started, man. It's not even noon yet. So I'm going to tell you the truth. A calculator, somebody just said if I buy $5. So $5 is low, you know. I mean, it will grow. Anything is going to grow. But when I say dollar cost average, let me give you the strategy. Let me give you a strategy that I use. So every time you get paid, okay, I call this the 70-30 rule. I teach this to my clients and you never be broke again because number one, y'all type this in the chat. Somebody, if you can help me out. The key principles to money management is save more and spend less. That way you always have money to invest. So for example, if you're getting paid, say, $1,000 every 2 weeks, that's $2,000 a month. You have to make sure that you don't over leverage and overspend half or at least $999. Okay, that one penny makes a difference because you have it saved. Now, from your whole portfolio, what you kind of want to do is two things. The next thing is you want to try to keep your monthly expenses at the halfway point. Now, you got to play the game Cash Flow by Robert Kiyosaki. A shout out to that. That's a good game because in order to get out the rat race, you have to invest and have your investments meet your overall expenses for the month while you're still working on your job, bringing in cash flow. So you got cash flow and you got investment flow. That's how you get out the rat race. In order to do that, your monthly expenses cannot be more than half of your overall total income. Okay? Hope y'all got that. So then what happens? Out of that whole piece, this is what I learned to do. 70-30 rule. I take 10% and tithe. Y'all know this, Bishop Favors, my pastor. So I tithe. Okay? You do whatever you do, but you give. You got to give. Generosity is the key to this thing. So you got to give. I get 10% to tithe and offering to the church. Then I put 10% in the business savings account. Then I put 10% in the business trading account. Do y'all hear me? So that means now I have a savings account and I live off the rest of the 70. So that means my bills have to be at a certain point because once I pay all my monthly expenses, I still should have 20% because my monthly expenses don't exceed 50%. Hope y'all catching this, man. dropping dollars today. So then what happens? Now when an investment come up, be it real estate or ugly house flip, or if it's a nice little up and coming company, an IPO, whatever, I can jump in that. So when I say dollar cost average, you still got your savings, you still got your investment savings, you're sowing into the kingdom, if you believe. So now how can you miss with that? And after you pay your bills, you still got 20% of play money for the whole month. So what happens then? If you do that, then you take a portion out of each one of that and you begin to invest. So I not only have, I'm gonna do another video on this, but I'm gonna tell you, I not only have crypto, I also have stocks, I also have ETF dividends that pay me every month that's growing. And then one of the things that I was going to share with you all is I also have a good commodity of what? Silver comes straight to my front door, and then gold. Y'all see that? So here's what I want you to understand. You're saying, well, Favors, why are you doing all that, man? And what good is that going to do? If you looked at the price of gold, the spot price yesterday was $69.85. Okay, $69. If you take $69 times 1 ounce, that's about $2,000. Now, what happens if you're saving in gold and gold is up like it is, and you got 10 ounces of gold, 40 ounces of silver? Trying to tell you all, man, other ways to leverage the fiat currency that you call the dollar bill. And once again, this is what I do. I'm not telling you what to do, but I diversify so I can have that. And I'm able to do that because of that 70-30 rule. So, Wayne, I went through all that to help you, to tell you this, that $5, it's going to move, but it's not going to get you where you really want to be. Okay, you got guys, you got whales just the other day that dumped $69 trillion and bought $69 trillion worth of Shiba Inu, okay? You do the math and see what that is. Some people got $1,000. I think they said that's the sweet spot. So $5, you definitely gonna want to. What I would say is, if it was me, I would definitely increase that. I would try to do at least $100 to $500 to get started, and then I would try to dollar cost average in. But understanding now, it's all about timing as well. Okay, it's leverage. You got to learn. That's why I'm on here doing these things for you guys, so that you can see and understand where are the sweet zones, where the buy spots at. Because what you don't want to do, now let me show you this. Let me teach a little bit. Is that SHIB? That's not SHIB. That's bunk still. What is that funny line on my screen? Let me see here. What is bunk doing? I got to close out bunk. Okay. All right. What you don't want to do, guys, is get caught. And this is why you dollar cost average, so you don't put all your money into it. That way you won't worry. As a Forex trader, I've seen a lot of people get in at the wrong time, right? They get in right here, and then the market drop, and it blow their account. Because the brokerage, whatever brokerage platform that you use, brokerage account, if you are over leveraged and you don't have enough money in there to handle the swing, the pullback, it will automatically stop you out without you even having to do anything. And if it stops you out, then you blow that account. But if you take your time and dollar cost average, and you don't risk no more than maybe 1 to 3%, no more than 5% if you're a beginner, or 3% if you're a beginner, then you can handle the pullback, which is why when I got in up here, I'm on the 5 minute. No wonder I can't see nothing on the 5 minute, y'all. This is why, guys, when I got in up here, it didn't matter, because I was already in from down here, over here on another trade. So when it went up, it didn't matter, because I was already down here with it, okay? So you see that? You see? Now where we at? Pull back, bouncing, 29.37. We trying to get momentum to go back up. These, once again, are the people who say, I'm going to take me a little profit and I'm going to stay in, okay? So that's what I would do. More questions. Let me see. Great info. Thank you, Drew. I appreciate it. Any thoughts on the Grayscale crypto trust like L? So I've been looking at those guys. I'm going to tell you the truth. If you look at them, they move a little slower than Bitcoin itself. So it's like, why would I invest in that when I can just go straight to what they invest in? They only holding it anyway. So I kind of do that myself. But if you're not an experienced trader, then why not get you some? It won't hurt. It's still moving. It just don't move as fast. And you know, in some of these things, I like to be in place so I can hurry up and get into profit and do what I got to do. So for the past 8 years, BTC and the alts usually pump on April and haven't. That's correct. I've noticed that as well. Good morning. What if I buy 5? Okay, I adjust that. Okay, I'm reading the wrong thing, y'all. Key principles of money management: saving money, save more and spend less. Come on, Immortal Wall, you got it. If you save more and spend less, you will always have money to invest. So then the hardest part, or the most challenging part, is to know when and what to invest in. Guys, this is where mentorship comes in at. I'm a proponent in mentorship. Matter of fact, man, I just got out of a serious, I'll do another video on it. Let me see here. I'll do another video. As a matter of fact, I'll share it right now. I'll show y'all. Let me see here. Because, guys, when I say I'm serious about mentorship, let me tell y'all something. I'm going to show y'all something real quick. Y'all see this dude right here? I just got out of a 4-day intensive with these people, man. Crazy. Yes, favorites. Thought you were a coach. I am a coach. I'm going to sharpen my skills so I continue to be a good coach for those who trust me with allowing me to help them and walk them in life. And I'm talking about, we got some strategies and some things right there. Tony Robbins, shout out to him, man. That's the dude right there. So you look at all the mentors that I have in certain areas, man, I strongly suggest if you get in it, you need to get in that, okay? So I want to tell y'all, this is why, once again, I am a strong proponent of mentorship, because a mentor has an ability to they can show you what it took them 10 years, 20 years to learn. So if I've been trading since 15, 16, 18, 19, 21, 2, 3, 4, I'm on 9 years. I can take what I learned in 9 years, sit you down from 6 to 9 months. And that may sound long to some of you all, but when you look at it from the place of it is, I'm able to make and remember, I was able to bring my wife off her 6-figure job because I was trading and growing teams, man. I've trained over 1,000 people seriously how to trade Forex, y'all, especially in 2020 when COVID hit. I mean, we grew teams to 13, 14, 15,000 members learning how to do Forex, man. Okay, so you're saying minimum 100 would be good then. What I'm saying is look at the 70-30 rule. Who was that? Wayne. Look at the 70-30 rule of what I would do, and I would make a decision based upon where you are. Okay, I don't know exactly where you are. You might be able to do more. You might have to do less just getting started. All I'm saying is look at your piece, divide your incomes up, and see if you can put that 10% toward your business saving, 10% toward this and 10% toward that. Make sure your bills is paid. Don't play with no money, your rent and your expenses money. You got to pay your bills, okay? You know, the good book, I say rent unto Caesar what belong to Caesar. You know, give God what his, but rent unto Caesar. So make sure you take care of your business. And if you set it up this way, though, you'll have money. You're a DCA, remember? So I don't just go all in on anything, but I do put nice amounts on it according to where my portfolio is, okay? And so I hope that helps, man. Man, y'all really engaging today. I appreciate that. Okay, so with that being said, once again, we see Bitcoin is almost at that 70. Man, I got to go look at that Bitcoin real quick, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Man, 2,572, 2,000, that's looking good. Bitcoin above 70. Bitcoin tap 70, y'all. So one Bitcoin tap 70. So I also get notifications in my text message, my email, strong buy on Bitcoin. So we already know we should be holding Bitcoin. And SHIB is at 29.30. Technical still says a buy, so I'm good. It's not close to neutral. It's right on the verge between buy and a strong buy. Dogecoin, it's up, right on the verge of buy and strong buy. Ethereum, oh, look at Ethereum starting to move, y'all. Oh, it's getting ready to break that plane. I hope y'all seeing this, right on the verge of buy. XRP, yeah, got a little something. Got a little something with the Ripple. right on the verge of buy. So these technicals, guys, what I'm showing you these technicals for you all is so that you can make an informed decision. It's a risk. Don't get me wrong. It's going to be a risk. Nothing is sound. And that's why I'm coming on here to help out, because once again, if you're just beginning in this, then you may not be able to handle those pullbacks. So you're going to want to take profit and wait till the pullback and then just jump back in. That's not a problem. You can do that as well. Me, I'm not, I'm holding because I'm waiting to see. And especially since that piece right there, can this hit this here? She has predicted April rally could be due to Bitcoin's halving next month. Of course, we don't understand that. But at the end of the day, guys, this just helps me make what? Informed decisions. Now, once again, watch a guru, and I'm going to get off here for you. Here's another piece, another article. If you put 1,000, now here's for someone who asked that question. If you put 1,000 in SHIB in you on January 1st, 2024, how much could it make? Let's check this out and see what he says. Shiba Inu was trading with 4 zeros on January 1st, 2024 at a price range of 4 zeros, 1030. I remember too. Therefore, an investment of 1,000 could have made investors accumulate nearly 97 million SHIB tokens. SHIB kickstarted a massive rally during Q1 of 24, delivering stellar profits to its investors. Yes, it did. The U.S. Securities Exchange Commission, the SEC, approved the Bitcoin ETF in mid-January, this leading to the price rally. So for those of you all who's asking about that, that could be some information that could help that as well. Look at Tesla monthly dividends. I love that. Anyway, Bitcoin rallied hard and hit a new all-time high of 73,737 in mid-March, while Shiba Inu followed suit. You see that? So while Bitcoin reached its ATH all-time high, Shiba Inu's price also hit a yearly high, 4 zeros, 4,400. At the same time, both BTC and SHIB printed stellar profits to investors who took an entry position before January 24. So Shiba Inu, you invest 1,000 on January 1st, how much money could you have? For $1,000, you could have accumulated 97 million SHIB tokens January 1st for a price of 4 zeros, 1030. Then Shiba Inu is currently trading at 4 zeros, 27.75. That was earlier today. Price range on Monday. Therefore, SHIB has spiked nearly 170% price from January 1st to March 25th, 2024. You see? Also, investment of 4,400 grows to 50 million today. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Now, here it is. In conclusion, an investment of 1,000 on January 1 could have turned into $2,700 on March 25th. Do y'all see that? That's the numbers. That's an uptick and return on investment of approximately 170% on your income in 84 days. So what you do, you learn the numbers and see how they got from 1,000 to 2,700 at 170%. And then you go back and see if we're going to do another 170%. If you got 1,000 in, then it looked like you're going to hit it. That's $1,700 profit, right? Right. So you see why I do this for you guys? Because at the end of the day, guys, I'm telling you, that's the business. It is the year. So Filecoin is looking good on charts as well. Great project. Yep. I need your advice, sir. I'm looking for a way to get on into this rudder, man. I've been in years knowing how to get ahead. We speak. I'm living in my car. Oh, my goodness. How do I start this? Only 100 month disability. Teach me. So watch this, guys. Once again, you have to start the first place. So let me tell y'all what I do. I'm going to give you all a free coaching session just because I can. When I take on a new client or a potential client, the first thing I do is take them through an assessment, because it doesn't matter to me how much you make. What I'm trying to get you to see is where you are, right? Financially, mentally, emotionally, and then I'm going to see where you want to be. So if it's, say somebody said 1180 for a month, Amy, I'll use an example. If Amy says 1180 a month, she put it in the chat, so I hope she don't mind me saying it. So then let's say you say, well, my goal is if I could just get to 3K a month, 5K a month, then that would totally change my life. So I would tell you then the first thing you do, and everybody else, you never make a decision based upon your present circumstances or environment. You make the decision based upon your wants and your desires. That's why mindset is so important, because at that moment, I'm going to ask you, what do you really want? Because if you really want it, you make the decision, irrevocable, committed decision. And guess what? You put that in your mindset, the mindset pushes it down. And next thing you know, certain things start happening. Okay. What starts happening? Your mind starts connecting with certain things. It's called the law of attraction, law of vibration. I'll put you on a frequency with it. Next thing you know, things start attracting to you, ideas, opportunities. You see? And for me, I happen to be, I got several gifts, but sometimes it's hard to numb them down. But over the course of my life from doing this, from being homeless at one point in time, sleeping in my car, to having to get my own apartment and making up my mind that I'll never be broke another day in my life, I remember a time being at the gas station asking people for $1 because I said, you know what? If I ask 100 people for $1, that's $100 if they give it to me. Not knowing that I was training my mind for sales, because now if I sell a program for $99 and 100 people do it, then you do the math, right? If I just 10 people for $100, that's $1,000. So 100 people, what? That's 10 grand. You see? So the question is finding finding the right mentor who can help speed up that process to get you from where you are to where you want to be. So that's the first thing I would say. Now, if you're interested in that, I do free consultations. I'll leave that link down below. You get on my calendar, book it. And when you leave there, you're going to at least know what you need to do. Whether you decide to take one of my course or have me mentor you or not, at least I'm going to leave you way better than you were. That's on business. That's what Fave do. That's what I do, okay? So hope that helps you out. Make your decision. And if that's what it is, fixed income, I'm on disability, that's no problem. That's no problem, because here's the reality, guys. Watch this. Once you make a decision, God will present you. See, look, a lot of times we be asking God for money. I'm just going to go here today, y'all. Y'all caught me on a good day. We be asking God just to give us money when God says, I'm trying to give you a skill set, an idea that's way more valuable. Your Bible says that you should honor wisdom more, search out wisdom more than precious rubies or silver and gold. So when I made my mind up that I was going to learn how to trade Forex on a fixed income at the time, guys, let me tell you what I did. We was right coming out that housing market crash. So some of the business that I had, it dried up a little bit. The network marketing wasn't hitting because everybody was trying to save money. Hold on. So what did I do? I said, you know what? I got to do something. And I realized that I needed a skill set, because at that point in time, people weren't just buying. They were buying essential things, not amenities, okay? Commodities type of deal. So I took a portion of my rent money. I never forget, I didn't even tell my wife. I took a portion of my rent money. And, okay, Amy, I'm going to leave a link down and below this video. It'll be in the description. Just hit more and it'll pop up. It'll be the first link I leave. So watch, I took a portion of my rent money, and I just said don't do that. So this is how I know not to do that. But I was totally confident in myself, because at that point I made a decision that I was not going to put my family in jeopardy. Y'all, I took a portion of that rent money, went and got into a Forex course and joined the company, man. And when I walked in, they said it's going to take maybe 3 to 5 weeks to learn how to do this. I said, whatever. I'll be going live in 3 days. I stayed up, give or take a nap here and two, for like 3-4 days, seriously. And I put $10 in the brokerage account. See, it wasn't as strict as it was today. Back then, it was open. You could do that. But today, you got to make sure those brokerage accounts are regulated. They'll run off with your money and your profits. And I got one that I use too, if you all, if I mentor y'all in that. So I took that money. I put $10. This is for you who think I don't have enough money. Trust me when I tell you. It's not about the money. It's the skill set. It's the wisdom. I took $10, put that in a trading account, brokerage account. I turned that $10 into $100. Took that $100 and turned it into $1,000. I put the money back that I borrowed from a rent, paid my rent at the time because I wasn't a homeowner yet. Did that and turned that $1,000 into 10 grand. Next thing you know, my team in that particular company exploded. Next thing you know, I'm teaching them, training everybody, doing everything. Next thing you know, I hit the first level of a bonus. Then start doing 2K from the company and while I'm trading. Then I hit 3K. Then I hit 4K. Then I hit 5K. Next thing you know, guys, I was doing 6K. I hit 6 figures. with a skill set. Like, yo, woo. Now, here it is years later, 9 years later, I still had a skill set. So if anything get to a situation, you can't take what's up here, people. That's why when all that Novatech stuff hit, I say it, I pull back and say, you know what? I need to start teaching people about the psychology of investing. Because if people had the mindset and the wherewithal, then they would have when I pulled out, they would have pulled out. So they wouldn't have got caught holding that bag. And I'm talking about some people put their whole life savings in there. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna get off my soapbox. I just went off. I usually record videos like that, like this, and then post them. But the lives I wanted to do just to share with you all about the trading and everything that we're doing. But once again, for those of you all who are interested in learning about some of this stuff, mentorship, what courses do I have? I'm going to leave a link down below, and all you got to do is a free piece, you know. But I need you to book out 15 to 30 minutes because I'm good at what I do. And I'm going to assess, ask some questions, see where you are, see where you want to be, put together a plan and close the gap and make sure that it's a good fit for the both of us. I'm never going to try to sell you something that I don't think you can benefit from. And that's the fact of the matter is, you all, we got to learn and understand that until you can see the benefit or you see the results, man, you shouldn't just be spending your money willy-nilly on anything just because it sounds good. A lot of things it may sound good and get you emotional, but they're not for your benefit. If you ask me favors, what do you do? I'm an empowerment results coach, really, because I empower you, teach you about the essential things and skills that you need, and help you get the results. And the next thing you know, you pay it forward, you go help someone else. Okay. So y'all don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. I don't know how long we went this morning, but if y'all like this type of content, please like and subscribe. No worries, man. I appreciate you all as well. Leave some more comments down. Share this, you all, so we can get the algorithms up, man. Help me get this video to 1,000 views on it, man. And that will help me. That's all I'm at. Just help your boy. Push the like button, subscribe, help your boy out. And as long as you all come back and engage, I'll do this. Try to do these videos at least once, maybe twice a week. And as the demand calls for, if you all like it, I'll do more. You all want some other subjects, you know, like leadership, you know, like I said, I'm an entrepreneur. I know how to teach you how to open up a business, establish a business. I can teach you how to take what you have and monetize that. So it's not like you have to learn a whole bunch of new skills. Some of you all already have something in your hand. You can look around your house. I guarantee you, I'll help you find out what it is. So with that being said, guys, it's always a pleasure. And as always, man, be essential. Do essential things, and you'll get essential results. So Doc favors you all.